Mining in Michigan.
We will cover several GLICs as the focus of our field trip, and these specific ones will be addressed in order to help our students learn more about Michigan history.
This is important because students need to understand that things are grown, mined, or made, and that they use these materials in their daily lives. In fact, students will learn that most of the things they interact with were mined from our natural resources. Extractive industries have been a large contributing factor in the development of Michigan's economy. In the 1980s, Michigan mining revenues were $2 billion each year.
Our big idea for this digital storybook is that Michigan supplies more than just iron and copper to the nation. Mining companies in Michigan also mine salt, gypsum, and fossil fuels.
People have been using Michigan salt dating back to the times of the Native Americans. Large-scale salt mining didn't take off until the 1900s, and between the years 1905 and 1958, Michigan led the nation in salt production. There are different methods for mining salt. In the method pictured here, water was pumped down to the salt to make brine. This salt water was pumped to the surface and the water evaporated, leaving the salt behind. After the water is evaporated off, the large chunks are then refined into the fine grains that we know as table salt. The largest salt mine in Michigan is located under the city of Detroit. Many chemical companies, such as Dow Chemical, have used the salt brine to make other chemicals.
Gypsum is used for plaster and other building materials. Underground mining of gypsum began in the 1840s near Grand Rapids. Gypsum quarrying, or above-ground mining, began in 1861 near Saginaw Bay. This photo shows a conveyor which took gypsum out to ships in Lake Huron. The gypsum industry had flourished by the 1970s, where revenues were $10 million per year.
Fossil fuels, which include coal, oil, and natural gas, are used as sources of energy. The greatest coal production occurred in Saginaw Valley in the early 1900s. The peak of coal production was in 1907, where there were 37 operative mines. The first oil wells in Michigan appeared in the Port Huron area in 1886. Oil is removed from underneath rocks and stored in large tanks until it is sent to a refinery. In the refinery pictured here, oil can be made into several different materials such as fertilizers, plastic, and gasoline to power automobiles.
Being exposed to information in this field trip helps students to understand that mining has been important in Michigan's history as well as in their lives today.